This is Forex trading analysis for Synergy FX, and it is 11:36 p.m. on July the 19th. It's Thursday, and today we're going to be looking at just two pairs, but quick risk disclaimer before we get started. Foreign exchange trading carries a high level of risk. Before you decide to trade foreign exchange, we encourage you to consider your investment objectives, your risk tolerance, and trading experience. It is possible to lose some or all of your initial investment, so don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Seek advice from an independent financial or tax advisor, and all information provided is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as trading advice or counsel. Sorry about this little tab here, by the way. I can't seem to get it to go away because I lost my password. But anyway, two pairs I did want to take a look at is first of all the pound Swiss, which currently, actually, I'm going to throw on the news really quick just to show you tomorrow what we have in store. So public sector net borrowing for the pound is going to be important at 4:30 a.m. So if you're up for that, and Eurogroup meetings as well, and then of course CPI for the Canadian dollar. So there's one reason I did want to look at the pound is the public sector net borrowing. So the pound Swiss right now is currently trading at 1.53747, and we are just about to close this bar. That does look like it is possibly going to be a sort of doji type bar with closing right exactly where it opens. So we could see the next bar possibly being a good indicator of where this market is going to go. If we do see a break above the high of the previous bar, this bar, the high is at, I can't tell you where the high is. The high is at 1.54122, and we could, if we do see a break above that, then I definitely do think that we will start to fall because we have been overextended for quite some time. RSI is currently at 74.62, so if we do reach above 75, it is definitely going to be the start of the selling zone. I do think that over the next few days, this is a daily chart by the way, a lot of times I look at overbought and oversold on the hourly, but since it is overbought on the daily, this is going to be a little bit of a longer term trade. I do think that we will start to break down a little bit in the pound and possibly in the US dollar Swiss, which is also a little bit overextended to the upside. So that should cater to this pair falling a little bit, and we could see a pretty nice rotation down here from the pound. And one thing I do like about this is that with the dollar trades, the hourly charts, sorry, usually you can only get around 20 or 30 pips from corrections to the downside, but on the daily charts you'll get much bigger corrections that go upwards of possibly like 70, 80, almost 100. So some really nice trading opportunity when you do see overbought or oversold on the daily charts. So that is definitely one pair I want to take a look at. The other one that is also interesting to me is the Euro Pound, which currently is trading at 0.78103, and this pair has been taking a nosedive over the past few weeks as the euro has fallen and the pound has risen. This pair has really been taking a beating, and we have seen rotations down from highs back in December as well as back in January, and we really have seen a lot of selling from this pair. One thing that I do like though is that we currently have been overextended to the downside again. For the 100 and 200, we are currently around 275 pips below. So if you do study moving average divergences at all, you know that when we are extended past these levels, a lot of times the market will start to reverse. So I'm not usually a big component of picking bottoms, but I do think that if we do start to fall and we do get a little bit better of a price, possibly around down to 767, possibly 767, yeah. I will be definitely looking for a future buy on this pair, and but yeah, for now I do like the pound Swiss short a little bit better than I do like the long here because it's usually easier to pick tops than bottoms in my experience anyway. So quick video today, but thank you very much for watching. Please be careful out there, and good luck going into the weekend. If you're holding positions into the weekend, good luck over the weekend, and definitely keep watching these, please. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and good luck trading.